Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing action cameras. So if that is something of interest to you and you'd like to know more, sit back, relax, grab yourselves a cup of tea, and without further ado, let us get into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. And as the title of the video suggests, we are talking about action cameras. Now, as you guys know, I am a very big advocate for the GoPro. Now, I've had the Hero 7, I've got the Hero 10, and I am now in two minds about whether or not I should upgrade to the Hero 12 or jump ship from GoPro and go to the DJI Osmo Action 4 or the brand new, and I mean literally the brand new Insta360 Ace Pro. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge techno nerd when it comes to these sort of things, but what I can tell you is that the one thing that really stands out for me over the current line of GoPros is the battery life. Now, the Hero 10 that I currently have will do around about 60 minutes, maybe 65 minutes of recording time, and then the battery dies. However, from what I've read online, the DJI Osmo Action 4 at 1080p at 60 frames per second has 2.5 hours worth of record time. So that's over 150 minutes worth of recording time, or there or thereabouts. Whereas the Insta360 Ace Pro, which is Insta's new flagship all singing all dancing action camera, has only around about an hour of recording time. So that's maybe again on par with the Hero 12. But, and this is a very big but, and I like them and I cannot lie, there are elements to the Insta that I really like, and now there are elements to the Hero 12 that I really like. Now, the main thing that I like about the Hero 12 is the fact that it supports wireless Bluetooth connectivity to your comms unit. Now, as you guys know, I have now upgraded from the Cardo Spirit HD to the Cardo PackTalk Edge, and I love it. I really do. However, the audio quality that you get via Bluetooth from the Cardo to the GoPro Hero 12 isn't brilliant. And I only know this through videos that I've watched online, so please take what I say with a pinch of salt, because I haven't done any real in-depth research into any of these cameras just yet. As you can appreciate, a little while ago my mum passed away, so I've not really been doing any long-form content because my heart's not really been in it. But I woke up this morning and I thought, you know what, I need to get out of this funk. I need to start doing what I do best, and I need to start making more long-form content, which is basically what I'm doing now. Anyway, I digress. So the Hero 12 can do 5.3K up to 120 frames per second. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the first action camera in history that can record up to 8K resolution. Now, personally, I don't think I'll ever use the 8K resolution because the file sizes will be absolutely ginormous, and it will take forever to edit them. So if you think that my videos were taking a while to come out now, if I got the Insta360 Ace Pro, it would take me about a month to do one video because of the file sizes. Now, I don't know whether I should go with the DJI or the Insta. As you guys may be aware, I do have the Insta360 X3 360 camera, which, I'll be honest, I haven't even really used much, but I will be using it more next year, that I can promise you, especially when the better weather comes along and I start doing track days. And now that I've got the R1's clutch to a place where I'm comfortable with it, you will most definitely be seeing a lot more content, because it got to a stage where I wasn't very happy with how the clutch was performing, so I didn't want to record anything. But anyway, again, I'm going off on a tangent, so I digress. if you and me, what would you do? Would you stick with what you know and go with the GoPro Hero 12, even though it has got really bad battery life, just like every other GoPro before it? Do you go with the DJI Osmo Action 4 that has 2.5 hours worth of recording time, which is practically double what any GoPro has ever done? Or do you go with the new all singing, all dancing Insta360 Ace Pro that can record up to 8K resolution with the same battery life as the Hero 12, plus a shitload of other features which I won't go into, because if I do get the Insta360 camera, I will obviously do a breakdown video of it anyway. That, and also there's plenty of videos online of said camera. There's a lad in Australia that I follow called Motovlogs, so if you want to see an in-depth video on that particular camera, I can obviously direct you guys to that video by putting a link in the video or in the card above. So if you'd like to see a video on that, I can send you over to that to Motovlogs' channel, where you can go and watch that video to your heart's content. But as things stand, you know, I have been through a lot emotionally with my mum dying and stuff like that, but as I say, I'm getting back on the horse. I'm starting to enjoy riding again now that Sean and Fraser at my work have kind of figured out what's going on with the clutch and got it set to where it's a lot more usable than what it was. Just to give you a brief breakdown, I had the clutch plates replaced by a friend who was recommended to me, or should I say, I had the clutch plates replaced by someone who a friend recommended to me. My English is brilliant this morning, I do apologise. And basically, long and short of it is, I think, and this is no disrespect to the guy that fitted the parts, I think he fitted some generic third-party clutch plates, and the stack height was all over the place. So yeah, the less said about that the better, I think, because he's a really nice guy and I don't want to, you know, slate him or take the piss out of him or anything like that, so I'm not going to. Oh, excuse me. But the long and short of it is, ladies and gents, emotionally, and I'm not going to try and profess that I'm the only one that this has happened to, because it's happened to hundreds of thousands of millions of people around the world throughout the years. You know, I'm still very much emotionally beaten up about my mum dying, but I've come to terms with it now, I think. And yeah, slowly moving forward, and you know, every time I go and see my dad, even though my mum's not there, I will say, you know, hello mum, see you later mum, love you mum, you know, all the things that I would do if she was still here. I don't love her any less just because I can't see her, do you know what I mean? But anyway, enough mushiness. I have got a few upgrades coming on the R1 as well. I've got some Akasato levers, both clutch and brake, which will be going on the bike pretty soon, and once they're done I will show you them. I've just recently installed some ARP racing rear sets, which again I will show you a more detailed video of when I get a chance. And just to put into comparison how grippy these rear sets are over stock, I kid you not, they're that grippy that they put a hole in my waterproof trousers. Yes, you heard it here first. ARP racing rear sets are that grippy, they tear holes in your trousers. I mean, granted, they're only plastic waterproof over trousers, but you get the idea. But anyway, ladies and gents, let me know in the comments down below which camera you would go with and why. And hopefully between now and Christmas we shall make a decision, because I'll be honest, I don't have a fucking clue what camera I want. If I had the money, I'd have all three of them, but you know, I can only wear one camera at a time on my head. Likewise, I could have multiple cameras on the bike, but I'd rather not. I'd rather have just the one, or maybe two at a push. because again, trying to edit all this stuff, it takes time and patience, which of late I just don't have. But anyway, ladies and gents, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for this and all future content. As always, I thank you all for sticking around. You guys have been awesome. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, be safe, be happy, and as always, adios.